Welcome to Just a Sliver. Here's a sliver of ranch dressing. Ranch is so versatile. You can have it, of course, in salads, drizzled on pizza, but my favorite, to dip my hot chili tenders in. And it is as simple as chop, pour, stir. I'm chopping my chives. Then I'll get started on my coriander or cilantro, parsley, and dill. I wanted to get a benchmark of how much I was looking for in each of my tablespoons of the herbs. So from now on, I will just leave them all on the board. And then once I add in my garlic, I can chop it all together. Obviously, the finer the dice, the better, because you don't want a big chunk of dill or garlic in your mouth. And of course, you could mix in some blue cheese to dunk in some buffalo wings. As you can see, I pulled a little more dill off of my bunch I left to the side. So it's good not to pack away your herbs until you're finished and happy with the amount that you're putting in. This is the first time I'm making ranch from scratch, and it is a game changer. The taste profile is chef's kiss. And now that I've finished chopping up the garlic, I'm just going to rock my knife back and forth and finally dice all of these herbs. Now we're going to get started on including our salt and pepper, mayonnaise, this makes it nice and creamy, sour cream for a little tang, buttermilk to form the majority of the content of the dressing, and to really enhance the zest, we're putting in some lemon juice. You can also use lime. Going to mix that together just roughly before switching over to a whisk. And now just wipe down the sides of the bowl. And make sure you give it a little taste test. Decant that into a jug or a smaller bowl, and you're ready to go. It is that easy. And of course, leaving it in the fridge overnight enhances the flavor. Thank you for joining me for Just a Sliver Ranch. See you soon.